Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back in afternoon with new topic, basic numeracy. Basic numeracy means maths. All right. Good afternoon, dear students. Very good afternoon. So, in second session, we will start with basic numeracy, also known as maths. So, basic numeracy means question of maths related to numbers. See here, basic numeracy, question of maths related to numbers. So, these are the 13 chapters which we need to prepare. 99% question since last 12 years from these 13 chapters only. Number system, LCM and HCF, percentage. So, these 13 chapters we will prepare. So, a student, just after 4 o'clock, you will get PDF of both the exercise. Okay, all right. So, today we will, and in maths we will follow this order. And remember, student, CSAT means Civil Services Aptitude Test. Aptitude means only understanding based discussion. Aptitude means logical and conceptual question. So, in maths, what means logical and conceptual, you will understand today itself. So, aptitude in CSAT, maths aptitude are very, very interesting. Reasoning type of maths appear as a aptitude in maths. So, you will know today. Okay. So, let's begin. Right now, and this is the detail, detail of CSAT syllabus. Last year, 2022, 36 question out of 80. And 2020, 42 question out of 80, means 50%, about 50% paper only maths. So, maths we can't escape, don't plan to escape maths. Without maths, impossible to qualify CSAT. So, maths को सीखना ही पड़ेगा, सीखना ही है, and उसकी starting हो रही है from today, from now onwards. Right? And remember, syllabus is up to 10th level. You all have maths up to 10, so nothing to worry. Right? Just concentrate on discussion and ideas. Okay? So, from tomorrow, we will spend about 2.5 to 3 hours on maths and only 1 or maximum 1.5 hours in reasoning. All right. So, let's begin maths first chapter, number system. So, student, write the syllabus. Let's begin with number system. So, number system, in number system we will discuss types of numbers and digits. Write the detailed syllabus of number system. So, first topic of number system is types of numbers and digits. Second topic, multiplication and square. Third topic, division and remainder. And fourth topic, unit digit. So, please copy detail of number system. So, number system part 1 and part 2, complete syllabus. A student, listen, why this chapter is important in our paper. 2022, last year, 12 questions from number system only number system. 2000, this is 2022, 2021, 2020, 14 question in our paper. 14 question in our paper. Last year also 10 question. So 10 plus question every year in our paper from number system. +10 question from number system every year in our topic, in our paper, and the topics are only this much: types of number and digits, multiplication and square, division and remainder, and unit digit. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. Okay, right, student, why such a big number, 10 plus question every year in paper? See the reason. A actual word given in our syllabus is basic numeracy. Basic numeracy means maths related to numbers, and chapter name is also number system. Number, basic numeracy, both are same. Here number, basic numeracy. Here that's why lots of question every year in paper. So 10 plus question minimum appear. So very, very important. And also this is a foundation. First chapter of maths, foundation of maths. Okay, so let's begin. And remember, shortcut formula not required while dealing with CSAT. Only understanding based discussion. And in maths, basic information, basics of school level required. So in every topic, we will revise all basic idea given in the school books. All right, student, let's begin first topic. Please write types of numbers. Types of number and digits we will first start with types of number. So in every topic, first we will cover all related theory till 10th class, right? All related ideas and concept. And then we will practice question, CSAT type question, as well as latest paper question also we will discuss. So write first topic, types of number. So write heading, student, types of number. Just a second. So write heading, types of number. Haji. So write heading, types of number. Types of number. Types of number. Right. So student, let's begin with type 1. Type 1. Write heading, type 1. Type 1. Natural number. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay. So counting numbers are known as natural numbers. Counting numbers are known as natural number, and counting starts from 1. So write example of natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, ... infinity. So types of number, natural number, counting numbers are known as natural number. Just write example. So 1, 2, 3, ... till infinity. These are natural numbers. Right, type 2, whole numbers, So number series is starting from 0. Number series is starting from 0 is known as series of whole numbers. So write example 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 infinity. Now see the relation between them. Natural numbers are the part of whole number. Each and every natural numbers are the part of whole numbers. So natural numbers are the part of whole number, correct? But whole numbers are the part of natural number is the wrongest statement. Right? Type 3. Type 3. Type 3. Integers, integral numbers. Integers, integral numbers. Integers. So now see a student, integers on number line. Integers on number lines. So 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 plus infinity. So student, each and every natural numbers are the part of integers. 0 is also part of integers. So including 0, each and every whole numbers are also known as integer. Right? And in left of 0, minus 1, minus 2, dot, 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 minus infinity. So negative number, positive number as well as 0, all are known as integral number, integers. So integers never in decimal form, never in decimal form. Okay na? Right? So natural number, whole number, both natural number and whole numbers are the part of integers. Okay? So now see sum of integers, sum of integers, product of integers, product of integers. So sum of integer means sum of all integral number, sum of all integral number, sum of all integers. Student, see the number line. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. It means each and every number cancel out. So sum of integer is always 0. Similarly, product of integer is also equal to 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So sum of integer as well as product of integers always equal to 0. Right? Now go for type 4. Type 4 rational number. So student, we will discuss all theory, and theory will give you power while solving question. Okay? Let's go for type 4. Type 4. Type 4 rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. So rational numbers are always in the form of P by Q. Always in the form of P by Q. Where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers, and one important condition, Q cannot be equal to 0. Q cannot be equal to 0. Why? The reason is, if any number is divided by zeros, division by 0 is not possible in maths, not defined in maths. That's why denominator Q cannot be 0. Okay? Write some example of rational number. So 2 by 3 in the form of P by Q, fractional form, minus 4 by 7. Right? देखो 0 itself is a rational number. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 0 by 1. So 0 is also a rational number. देखो 13 can be written as 13 by 1. So rational number. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1. So rational number. Student, 22 by 7 is already in the form of P by Q. So therefore rational number. Now can you guess whether pi is rational or not? Is pi rational number? Is pi rational number? 22 by 7 is rational because in the form of p by q. My question for you, student, is pi rational number? Good, very good student. So pi is not a rational number. Hey, देखो, pi is not a rational. Remember, 22 by 7 is the approximate value of pi, not the accurate value. Accurate value of pi is not a rational. Right? So wait for few minutes. We will discuss exactly pi is what. Pi is irrational number. We will discuss. 22 by 7 is not the accurate value, is the approximate value. That's why pi is not 100% equal to 22 by 7. Therefore, pi is not irrational. Pi is irrational. We will discuss after few minutes. So remember, cross pi. Pi is not a rational number. Okay, now see 0.73. So decimal numbers, 0.73 is also a rational number. 0.73 can be written as 73 by 100. So is a 0.73 is a rational number. Now student, see here, recurring decimal, one variety in decimal is recurring decimal, and each and every recurring decimal is a part of rational number. See what it means, recurring decimal. Each and every recurring decimal is an example of rational number. So see this, 0.3333 till infinite times. So if same digit repeated infinite times after decimal, then they are known as recurring decimal. So this is written as 0.3 bar, 0.3 bar. And remember, this is an example of recurring decimal. You see another example of recurring decimal, 0.47 bar. This is also 0.47 bar is again example of recurring decimal. So 0.47 means 47 till infinity. So these kind of numbers are known as recurring decimal, and recurring decimal yes, a student. Haji. So yes, so 0.47 bar is 0.3 bar. These are example of recurring decimal, and recurring decimal always part of rational number. So now question is how to convert recurring decimal into rational number. Acha, before starting this, देखो one of the query from your side is divided by 0 का क्या मतलब है? See here, any number when divided by 0 means not defined in maths. Division by 0 is not possible. That's why q cannot be 0. X by 0 is not defined, written as infinity. So division by 0 is not possible. So denominator cannot be equal to 0. Yes, 13 is a 13 can be written as 13 by 1. So that's why 13 is a rational number. Okay, Haji. So student, see once again, rational number. Rational number always in the form of fraction p by q, where p and q are integers, but q cannot be 0. Why q cannot be 0? Because if any number divided by 0 not defined, that's why written infinity, not defined. That's why q cannot be 0. But numerator can be 0. And right now we are discussing different example of rational number. See, so every recurring decimal, each and every recurring decimals are also rational number. Now question is how to convert recurring decimal into rational number. Okay, so see the detail of recurring decimal. Student, focus here. See here, 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. 0.43, please concentrate here, 43 by 100. Here after decimal 2 digits, so just put 2 zeros. And similarly, if number is 0.739, then this is equal to 739 by 1000. We know in maths how to convert decimal number into fractional number. You know very well. 3 digit after decimal, so put 30 in the denominator. Now see how we handle recurring. See, so let's say number is 0.7 bar, 0.7 bar. So here one digit is under the bar. So students, method is very simple. If one digit is under the bar, then put 19 in the denominator. This is the value of recurring decimal 0.7 bar into rational number. See another example, 0.43 bar, 0.43 bar. So 2 digit is under the bar. So how to convert 0.43 bar recurring decimal into rational number? So if 2 digit is under the bar, then put 99 in the denominator. If 1 digit is under the bar, put 19. Compare with normal decimal number. If 2 digit is under the bar, put 99 in the denominator. Similarly, if 3 digit is under the bar, answer is 739 by 999. This is the simple rule to convert recurring decimal into rational number. Wait. Now here there is a one variety in which some digits are free from bar. Then what to do? Dekho student, hey, compare this discussion. Normal decimal you know how to convert into rational. Recurring decimal, dekho, compare. If one digit after decimal, put 10. In case of recurring, if one digit is under the bar, put 9. Just in place of 0, just put 9999. Right? Now see, in case of combination, what to do? So see one example, few example. If number is little different, see this. So if number is 0.23 bar, so 2 is free from bar, whereas 3 is under the bar. Okay. So in this case, you need to go combination of both the idea, combination of normal decimal as well as recurring decimal. You need to combine both the idea. So see example carefully, student. First imagine no decimal, no bar. Please student, please focus how to convert 0.23 bar into rational number. So first imagine no decimal, no bar. So number is 23. Okay. First imagine no decimal, no bar, so number is 23. Then subtract the digit in which there is no bar. It means number 2. Subtract the digit in which there is no bar, so number 2. This is known as numerator. Now see how to handle denominator. In 0.23 bar, only one digit is under the bar. And for one digit under the bar, put 19 in the denominator. Also in 0.23 bar, only one digit free from bar, 2 is free from bar. So for one digit, put 10 in the denominator. So therefore this is equal to 21 by 90, reduced by 3, so 7 by 30. So 0.23 bar is equal to 7 by 30. Students, see one more example. No, this is wrong. 0.739 bar, no. This is wrong. Please focus on discussion. That is incorrect. Right? Concentrate here. The recurring decimal will be all right. Please focus here. Right now, so 0.739 bar means 739 by 999 only. Here, concentrate, student. See another example. 0.578 bar. Here now in this example, last 2 digit is under the bar. So focus here. So 0.578 bar, how to convert into recurring? Using these two group means combination of normal and recurring को you need to combine logically. See here, the first step is imagine no decimal, no bar. So number is 578. Then subtract the digit in which there is no bar, means here you need to subtract 5. Right? So numerator over. Now focus on denominator. 2 digits 7 and 8. 2 digit is under the bar. So for 2 digit put double 9 in the denominators. So put double 9 in the denominator. And only 1 digit free from bar. So for 1 digit put 10. So this is the value of 0.578 bar into Haji. Student, please concentrate. I will repeat so many times. Listen carefully. Just listen. Haji, hey, so many example, it means slowly everything will be all right. Haji, see here. And this board, this page I will repeat again. This, see one more example of recurring decimal. See here. Hey, if the number is 0.1234 and last 2 digit is only under the bar. So this is equal to, first imagine no decimal, no bar. So number is 1234. Minus subtract the digit in which no bar. So first 2 digit is free from bar. So subtract 12. This is known as numerator. And denominator how to handle? First put 9, then put some zeros. So last 2 digit is under the bar. So double 9 in the denominator. And for 2 digit free from bar, so put 00. So this is the idea to convert any recurring decimal into rational number. So see once again rational number. Rational number means in the form of P by Q. Right? So decimal number, recurring decimals are example. So student 0.7, you know 0.7 is 7 by 10. So if 1 digit is under the bar, 19 put 19 in the denominator. This is the method. If in case of 2 digit put double 9. In case of 3 digit under the bar put 999. In case of combination, these three example combination and no other such number exists. Right? So write one example which appear in our paper in 2021. So student, please copy one example. Convert. Hey, this question appear recently CSAT 2021. Haji, convert 1.27777 ... infinity into rational number. Please try and send the answer. Convert 1.2777 ... infinity into rational number. Student, please try. Solve and send the answer. Convert 1.27777 ... infinity into rational number. Send the answer, student. See here. Yes, 23 by 18, 25 by 18. Please focus here. So 1.2 देखो 7 7 repeated, 7 7 repeated, so put bar on 7 only. The digit which is repeated again and again, just put bar there. So 1.27 bar. Okay. Now see, this term can be written as 1 plus 0.27, 0.27 bar. See here, a decimal digit before decimal is known as integral part. So here integral part is 1 and decimal part is 0.27 bar. So write integral part separately. So 1.27 bar I can break into two part, integer plus decimal part. Now go for simplification. Convert 0.27 bar into rational number. So 0.27 is written as 27 minus 2 divided by 9 followed by 10. So this is equal to 1 plus 25 by 90. Slowly simplify, slowly simplify. So 25 by 90 means reduce by 5, reduce by 5. So 5 5 ja 25, 5 18 ja 90. So 1 plus 5 by 18. 1 plus 5 by 18. This is 90. This is 90. So 18 5 ja. Okay. So 1 plus 5 by 18. Now slowly simplify. LCM is 18. So 18 plus 5. So answer is 23 by 18. 23 by 18. 23 by 18. See here. Keep integral part separately. Hey, remember 1.4 rupees means 1 rupees and 40 paise. And only in recurring decimal part you apply the idea whatever we have discussed. So only correct answer is 23 by 18. 23 by 18. 23 by 18. All right student. Very good, very good. 23 by 18 is the only correct answer. Okay. Here next write type 5 irrational number, irrational number, irrational number, irrational numbers, irrational number. So student, till now whatever we have discussed, all are part of rational number. Natural number, whole number. See here, see this page. Natural number, whole numbers as well as integers, all three are the part of rational number. Right? Whereas irrational numbers are completely different. So number which are not rational is known as irrational number. So student, numbers which are not rational is known as irrational number. See example of few irrational number. So practical number in maths which we use as a irrational number are root 2, root 3. Remember root 4 is not a irrational number because value of root 4 is square root of 4 is 2. So root 4 is rational number, not irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Right? So generally irrational number in the form of a square root, cube root, fourth root like this. Okay. And pi is also irrational number. Pi is also irrational number. Student, see here. So now see what is pi. What is pi? What is pi? See, pi is a mathematical constant. Concentrate here. Pi is a mathematical constant which is derived from circle, So let's say few example of 3 different circle of different radius. Right? So see here. So now in all the 3 circle, let's find the value of C by D. C for circumference and D for diameter. Circumference means perimeter of the circle and diameter you know very well, passing through the center, right? So C by D, calculate value of C by D in all 3 different size of circle and suddenly you will find this ratio are equal. So student, what is pi? Pi is a mathematical constant derived from circle. So pi is the ratio between circumference to its diameter. Take any circle, find the value of ratio between circumference to its diameter. So ratio between circumference to its diameter always same, and that the same value is known as value of pi, and value of pi is 3.1414 dot infinity. Infinity. So here after decimal repetition pattern not confirmed, that's why we can't write this as a recurring decimal. So student, value of pi is 3.14 infinity, not 22/7. 22/7 is just a approximate value. So irrational number in the form of square root, cube root, and pi is also part of irrational number. Okay, what is pi? Pi is a mathematical constant derived from circle, C by D, circumference to its diameter. Ratio of circumference to its diameter always same in any size of circle, and that is known as value of pi. All right, next write student, real number, type 6 real numbers. So both rational and irrational, rational numbers plus irrational numbers together known as real number. Both rational and irrational numbers together known as real number. So till now whatever we have discussed all are part of real number. Okay student, remember our syllabus is up to 10th level only. So imaginary number, complex number is not in our syllabus. Okay, now see some additional type of number, additional type of natural number. So like odd numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, some additional types of number which are part of natural numbers only. हाँ जी बच्चे, अभी बताऊंगा. A square root of 27 is irrational number, 100%. But cube root of 27 is not a irrational number. Yes, both the doubts we will discuss. First focus here. So one query from your side is square root of 27 irrational number? Square root of 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So therefore square root of 27 is 3 root 3. So therefore root 27 is irrational number, not rational. See, so this is irrational number, but cube root of 27, see here, if cube root of 27, student, cube root of 27 if you will solve, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. देखो, third root means I need pair of 3. 3 is repeated 3 times, therefore answer is 3. So cube root of 27 is a rational number, whereas a square root of 27 is irrational number. Okay, Haji. So student, first focus on these 4 number and then we will go for question practice. देखो यहाँ ध्यान से. So some additional types of natural number. Odd number means numbers which are not divisible by 2. So for example 1, 3, 5, 7 dot infinity. Even number means numbers which are divisible by 2. So 2, 4, 6 dot infinity. So prime number means numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself only. It means numbers which are having exactly two factor, one and itself, are known as prime number. Numbers which are divisible by one and itself means exactly two factors. Okay, and a smallest prime number is 2. Then 3, divisible by 1 and itself, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these are prime number. So remember, a student, 1 is not a prime number because 1 is only divisible by 1. 1 is having only one factor. So best definition of prime number is numbers divisible by exactly two factor. हाँ जी. So some doubt from your side, so we will discuss. Student, listen. In value of pi, repetition pattern is not clear. Recurring decimal you can put only if the pattern is 100% well defined. Right? Abhi I will take your doubts. First let's complete this odd number, even number, prime number and composite number. Right? So composite number, the numbers which are not prime is known as composite number. Okay, so the smallest composite number is 4. Then 6, 8, 9, ... infinity. So students, see the difference between prime number and composite number. Prime number means numbers having exactly two factors. Composite numbers having more than two factor. More than two factors, it means composite number. And the smallest composite number is 4. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So write one note, student. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So all these basics may don't compromise. Must revise properly. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, see a student, one doubt from your side is pi. Hey, remember, the value of pi is 3.14. Hey, now, जो pattern hai, they are not repeated. Repetition pattern, if clear, if well defined, then only you can put bar, then only you can convert in recurring decimal. So 3.14 something, hey, 4 can be repeated, but exactly 141414 or the pattern is not 100% well defined. That's why pi is irrational number. And remember, the value of pi is 22/7 is the approximate value. This is the only accurate value. Right? Acha, another doubt from your side is value of 1.26. देखो 1.2626. ये देखो student, 26 ... infinity. Hey, in case of pi, the repetition pattern, hey, 1 can appear in after decimal or 4 also, but the pattern, repetition pattern not well defined. That's why irrational number. Once repetition pattern clear, one can convert into recurring decimal. देखो, hey, this another number one can convert into recurring decimal because 262626 repeated. So 26 like this. And before decimal number is known as integer. So keep integral part separately. So this can be written as 1 plus 0.26 bar. And now apply the basic 1 plus 26/99 and solve it, you will get the answer. हाँ जी, yes. आगे बढ़ते हैं student. So student, 8 types of number over. Please concentrate here. Quick. Hey, one quick. Natural number, whole number, integer. Relation between the three is both natural number and whole number are part of integers. And all three are part of rational number. Hey, these are the different example. Right? Hey, after class, please revise. Okay, carefully. Right? These are few examples. And remember, pi is irrational number, not rational, whereas 22/7 is rational number. Okay, then these are the different numbers. So let's go for next. See here. So student, please concentrate. So our topic is natural number, types of number and digits, types of number and digits. So please write next a small theory, digits, and then we will practice question. Haji. See, so types of number ideas over, right? Please write some additional information about types of number and then some more theory, and then we will practice question. See here, write some more information. So in types of number, there are some special series which you can add directly from the school book information. So please write, write some more information. Sum of natural numbers, sum of natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers is written like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 ... n. So this series you need to read like this: sum of n natural number. So a student, in 8th class there is a chapter arithmetic progression, and in arithmetic progression the relation, this how to add different series directly given by some relation. So sum of natural number according to school book directly given by n into n plus 1 by 2. This is a school relation, so you need to remember as well as recall. Okay, so sum of natural number is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of odd number, 1 plus 3 plus 5 ... n terms. Please write some basic relation. Sum of odd numbers. So sum of odd number is given by n square. Third relation. These kind of 5 relations are given in arithmetic progression. So please copy. Sum of even number. So sum of natural number n into n plus 1 by 2, sum of odd number n square, sum of even number is given by n into n plus 1. These are school formulas, so we can't compromise with school books information. The fourth relation is sum of the square of n natural number, sum of the square of n natural number. Slowly copy down. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Student, direct formula type question not appear, but sometimes this relation required while solving logical question, solving good question, solving paper question also. And one last relation, is sum of the cube of n natural number, sum of the cube of n natural number, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So 5 basic relation how to add different series. Sum of natural number n, please copy. Sum of natural number n into n plus 1 by 2, sum of odd numbers directly given by n square, sum of the even number n into n plus 1, sum of the square of n natural number, sum of the square of n natural number n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and sum of the cube n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. And in all these relation, n represents number of terms in the series. 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 A student, how to derive derivation is not part of our discussion. Why I have discussed this? Because this is given in school books. A derivation not required, and that much of time you don't have, right? So please don't go for derivation. I am not going to discuss any derivation and all. This is a school relation related to addition. That's why I have given you. So please don't go for derivation and all. That is not required. Okay, and remember, for direct formula type question not appear in our paper. Why I have discussed? Because syllabus is up to 10th level. Even in 10th level they have not given derivation and all. So please, hey, derivation नहीं करते. Okay, Kolkata. हाँ जी, hey, because this is related to types of number and all, that's why school ideas required. Hey, इतना research का time नहीं है. Remember, only 33%. And this I have given only because in school some basic formulas are given. So how derived is not in our syllabus. Please, hey, इसमें time waste करेंगे तो ये topic रह जाएगा, कभी नहीं पूरा हो पाएगा. Okay ना? Only logical question, understanding based question appear in our paper, right? So now I am going to start question discussion based on types of number. Types of number, the first topic only. Okay, हाँ जी. So based on types of number and addition and subtraction, types of number, related CSAT type question. Now I am going to start question practice. हाँ जी. So student, let's begin practice of question based on types of number, addition, subtraction. Acha, remember one thing, still the first topic was types of number and digits. So before starting question, please write digit also. Write one more theory and then we will start practice of question. हाँ जी. So our first topic is types of number and digits. So please write one more theory, a small theory, digits, then we will practice next 1 hour only question. So please write heading digits. So first topic of number system is types of number and digits. So please write digits. Only logical discussion matter. Right now, right? So please concentrate here. So write single digit number. Single digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers. See here. One last small theory and then we will go for practice of CSAT type question. Okay, so single digit number. So single digit number, student, write how many single digit numbers are there. So only 9 single digit numbers are there. And single digit number start from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Wait, student. So in maths there are total 10 digits. Total 10 digits 0 to 9. But 0 is not counted as a single digit number. Single digit number start from 1 to 9. So single digit numbers, only 9 single digit numbers are there. 0 is not counted as single digit number. Here see the reason why. So in maths total 10 digits are available, but single digit numbers are only 9. Okay, see here. So 2 digit numbers, total 92 digit numbers are there. The smallest 2 digit number is 10 and largest 2 digit number is 99. So 99 minus 9, there are 92 digit numbers. Student, see here why 0 is not counted as a single digit. See this. See, can you say 04 is a 2 digit number? No. So if a number start with 0, then 0 not counted as a digit. 04 means only single digit number. So here 0 has no sense. But once you will write 40, 4 and 0, 0 has sense. So this is the reason कि single digit number cannot start with 0. So remember a student, in maths total 10 digits are there. In maths total 10 digits are available, but only 9 digits are counted as single digit number. See, 3 digit number, a smallest 3 digit number is 100 and largest 3 digit number is 999. So 100 to 999, 999 minus 99. So total 903 digit numbers are there. Total 903 digit numbers are there. So see a student relation between them. 9 10 ja 90, 90 10 ja 900, 900 10 ja 9000. So it means 9004 digit numbers are there. 9004 digit numbers are there. Okay, so this is about general information about single digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. See, right, so 0 is a digit but not counted as a single digit. This point you keep in mind. Uska reason hai because number cannot start with 0. Okay, good. Acha, now see one last discussion, alphabets into digits. Alphabets into digits. How to convert alphabets into digits? So alphabets into digit means sometimes questions are planned, questions are made in such a way related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using alphabets. And one statement given, if alphabets are digits, distinct digits, then convert alphabets into digits. So see few example to understand how to convert alphabets into digits. See a student, P plus Q is equal to R. So when two single digit number are added, then we get third alphabets. So P plus Q plus R, listen here. So if P, Q and R are distinct digit, तो यहाँ पे focus करो student. So P and Q, P, Q, R here all are single digit number. Since P, Q, R all are single digits, so therefore they cannot be 0. Now I can find, here see one discussion, how to convert alphabets into digits. If digits are distinct, student, if digits are distinct, it means, now think about minimum value of P and Q. So if P is 1, think for minimum value. If P is 1, Q can be 2 or vice versa also possible. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So if digits are distinct and the minimum value of PQR will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So minimum value of R can be 3. So minimum value of R. A student, this is little different discussion, logical, slowly try to understand. So minimum value of R is equal to 3. And similarly maximum value of R, देखो यहाँ पे, see the maximum value of R, P plus Q is equal to R. And if question is find the maximum value of R, so to get maximum value of R, P and Q should be maximum. And since P, Q, R are digits, and P, Q, R are single digit, so the value of R cannot be greater than 9 also. 9 is the largest single digit number. So if P, you will take 4, Q 5, then 4 plus 5 is 9. R cannot be greater than 9 because R is a single digit. Or you can take P as 5, Q as 4, 5 plus 4 is also 9, P plus, right, also 9. It means maximum value of R is equal to 9. Student, completely different. But here abhi nowadays, since last 3 years, every year 1 or 2 question from alphabets and digits based on addition, subtraction, multiplication. So in every class we will discuss few example from this topic. Abhi focus on this simple idea. First copy. So P plus Q is equal to R means PQ R are single, all three are single digit number. And my question is, find the minimum value of R. So to get minimum value of R, P and Q should be minimum. And they are digits, given distinct digit. Distinct means cannot be repeated. You cannot be 0 also. So if P is 1, Q can be 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Or if P is 2, Q is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So minimum value of R is 3. And similarly, maximum value of R in this addition, if P is 4, Q can be 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. R is a single digit, so cannot be 10 or more than 10. Haji, there are so many values possible. There are so many value possible here. Hey, yahan dekho. Hey, I have taken 4 and 5. Right, maximum value of R can be if P is 1, Q is 8. Hey, there are so many values possible. 100%. 100% student. If Q is, P is 2, Q can be 7. Also 9. But R maximum must be 9 only. Very good student. Right? If this is 3, vice versa also possible. But in any case, if question is find the maximum value of R, then maximum value of R must be 9. Okay. So let's continue this discussion with some more example. This is just a discussion. I will give you real example. We will discuss real question. See here. Now see, let's say A plus B. See the another example. A plus B is equal to CD. A plus B is equal to CD. Good student. 1 and 8 also possible. So now see this. When two single digit numbers are added, answer is in 2 digit. CD means answer is in 2 digit. So a student, find the value of C. Find C if alphabets are distinct digit. If alphabets represent distinct digit. Student, please copy this example and send the answer of this simple question. Yes, very good. No student, sum of even number is given by n into n plus 1, not 2n. 2n is wrong. 2n is the nth term. So student, those who have sended 2n is the nth term. So 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12. Hey, my heading was how to find sum of even number. Both are different. 2n is the nth term of the even series. Haji, very good. This is one. All right, student. See here. Concentrate here. Very good. So A plus B, all A, B, C, D are distinct digit. So A plus B is equal to CD. It means I need answer in 2 digit. 2 digit. So 2 digit number start with 10. So a student, think minimum value of sum as well as maximum value of sum, and I need answer in 2 digit. So minimum value, when 2 single digit numbers are added, if you need answer in 2 digits, so minimum sum can be 10. Minimum sum of A plus B can be 10. 10 means 0, 1 0. So C must be 1. And maximum value of A plus B can be 9 plus 8, 17, 17, because digits are distinct. And in both the case, C is 1 only. Right? So minimum sum of A and B is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Right now, there 1 plus 9 is 10. And maximum sum of 2 single digit can be 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. In both the case, C will be 1. So very good. 1 is the 100% right answer. 1 is 100% right answer. Okay, student. Hey, here idea is think all possible values of A and B. Since A and B are digits, so can be from 1 to 9, single digit, so from 1 to 9 any values. But C in any case must be 1 only, must be 1 only, must be 1 only. Here right, okay. So write one good example. Here these were small ideas, small theories. So please write one question, one good right example. let, slowly copy, plus leee, let plus all li is equal to all. Right? If E is 5, E is equal to 5, and alphabets represent distinct digit. Alphabets represent distinct digit. First copy this. Represent distinct digit. Then find the value of A into L into L. Student, first copy this. Haji, student, dear student, CD means C for 1. I am not talking about D. Hey, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 means C for 1. 9 plus 8, 17. C for 1. Acha, I will give you example. First copy this example, student. If E is equal to 5 and each alphabet represent distinct digit, then find the value of A into L into L. First copy this example, student. Remember, alphabets into digits is a logical, interesting, the good discussion. In every class, for next 2-3 class, we will discuss 2-3 examples. So slowly, it will help you to understand. I will explain CD again. Our question was find only C. So focus here. So question, student, let plus LEE, it means 3-digit number. When added with another 3-digit number, then answer is also 3-digit number. Okay. So you need to crack the value of L, T, E, A, and E is given 5. E is given 5. So think purely logical and then okay. 0. Acha, also calculate value of A plus L plus L plus L. Because A plus L plus L. So now 2 questions. We will discuss both. And after this discussion, I will start practice from exercise. types of number and digits, so many questions. So now you have two questions, student. Find the value of a into L plus L, L into L, as well as a plus L plus L. Spend time, little time, 1.5 minutes, then we will discuss this example in detail. The value of E is given 5. So your aim is find the value of L, T as well as A, 3 unknowns. Acha, so many different answers, 0, 3, 5. Just think logically. Think simple. Hey, the addition, hidden observation behind addition, Okay, so alphabets represent distinct digit. So students, see the discussion. Let's discuss here. So right now E is given 5. E is given 5. See here. E is given 5. So let replace by E is equal to 5. E को replace by 5. Replace by 5. Student, concentrate. Concentrate here. Please concentrate. LET is a 3-digit number. LEE is a 3-digit number. Answer ALL is also 3-digit number. Concentrate here everyone. देखो इधर. See here. So 5 plus 5 is 0. So the value of L can be, देखो 5 plus 5 is 10. Hey, focus on middle step of addition. 5 plus 5 is 10. So the value of L can be either 0 or 11 if carry from the first step. Concentrate here everyone. Please stop and concentrate here. Is a good discussion. Listen, how to add logically alphabets using addition. See here. So 5 plus 5 can be equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means 0. Or what will happen if one carry from the previous step, T plus E and one carry. So if one carry, then E plus E, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So L can be 1 also. Focus here. See the discussion student. Concentrate here. यहाँ देखो. So the value of L can be either 0 or 1. Please concentrate here everyone. यहाँ देखो ध्यान से. 5 plus 5, see the middle step. If E is 5, then 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means 0. So the value of L can be 0. But why L cannot be 0? See here. If L ko, right? So if L you will replace 0 in third position. Here leftmost position. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. A will be also 0. And answer cannot start with 0. Answer cannot start with 0. First listen. Therefore L cannot be 0. See why L cannot be 0. Student, यहाँ देखो. L 5 T L 5 5. देखो, see here. I am talking if 5 plus 5 10 means 0. 0. It means L is 0. It means L is 0. And if you will put L 0, 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0. A cannot start with 0. The answer cannot start with 0 because I need answer in 3 digit. So therefore, the value of L cannot be 0. Hey, it means from first step must one carry. So now think about T. Hey, I need L. So student, concentrate, again discussion. Hey, think little logical. So LET plus LEE. Hey, this is little better. ALL. देखो. So it means the value of L cannot be 0. Once L is 0, then leftmost position 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. A cannot be 0 because answer is in 3 digit. So 3 digit number cannot start with 0. It means must be one carry over from first step of addition. So T plus E is 5. E is 5. देखो यहाँ पे. Hey, please focus on discussion जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So E is 5, replaced by 5. So 5 added with which digit will give you one carry over? So 5 plus 5 is 10. T cannot be 5. So think more than 5. If T is 6, then 6 plus 5 is 11. So the value of T, minimum value of T can be 6. Right? You can take 6 as 7 also. But first focus on minimum value of T. Since E is 5, T cannot be 5. Go for more than 5. So if T is 6, then what will happen? 5 plus 6 is 11, 1, carry 1. Now go for second step of addition. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Dekho, I need both L as same. So here also 1, here also 1, so accepted. Right? So L1 means 1 plus 1 is 2, and see, in this discussion all digits are distinct, therefore T6 possible. Student, यहाँ देखो, what will happen if T7? If T7, then 5 plus 7 is 12, 2. And next step में 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. L, the value of L will be different. Therefore, T must be 6 only. हाँ जी. अच्छा, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 carry. 1 carry, so 311. Yes, Kolkata. Very good. देखो student, so final conclusion, hey, this is a purely logical. Nowadays about 2 questions every year in paper. So student, this particular discussion, alphabets into digits, we will discuss in exercise also, as well as in next class also, related to multiplication, related to division. So now I am going to stop. See here. So finally this result is 100% correct. So therefore, if question is find the value of A into L, then answer is 3 into 1 into 1. And second question, A plus L plus L. So 3 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 5. First copy this. Why 11 is not getting carried? The reason is, see here, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3, yes, 3. So E plus E, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry here also. So you need to add. So 311, not 211. Student, hey, please stop here only. Let's begin. So this is about alphabets and digits, and not it over. Alphabets and digits we will discuss again and again in exercise, practice also, as well as tomorrow also. So yes, 311, not 211. Okay, and this is the only value. L for 1, E for 5, T for 6, E for 5, A for 3 will satisfy all the given condition. So those who are getting still little dark, please stop for some minutes. We will discuss some more example from exercise. So student, let's begin practice, CSAT type practice from class exercise. आ जाओ. Let's start types of numbers. So student, go for question number 1 and send the answer. So now I will give you time about 1.5 minutes for every question and try to give response. Please focus on this question and send the answer. Practice of question, CSAT type question related to types of number and digits. Those who are getting still problem in alphabet and digits, please wait for some time. We will discuss variety questions in coming 2-3 days regularly, different example for practice. So student focus here. देखो, whenever CSAT type practice, remember must read question minimum 2 times. This is first instruction. Must read minimum 2 times. Once you understood, you can sort out easily. So students, see here. Here the point is February 2100. It February month, whenever February months. So you need to focus on year, whether given year is ordinary or leap year. So here concept of leap year required. Concept of leap year required. So whether 2100 year is leap year or not. So please write one note, student. One note means one school ideas required, one basic required to answer this question. So 48,000, 50,000. So two different answer. 50% of you 50,000, 50% of you 48,000. Please write one note. Likho. Student, listen. Haji, every 4th year is a leap year. Divisible by 4 is not a correct statement. Since childhood, you know every 4th year is a leap year. Means if a given year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. This is not true for all years. So please write one note. Please write. Century year. Century year means multiple of 100 years. Century year means multiple of 100 years. So century year is a leap year if it is divisible by 400. First write down. First write one concept which required to answer this question. Likho. Century year means multiple of 100 year is a leap year if it is divisible by 400. Now see this. Year 2000. 2000 year. Year 2100 is not divisible by, not completely divisible by 400. Therefore, 2100 is an ordinary year. Is an ordinary year. Remember, divisible by 400 only applicable in multiple of 100 years. So, since not divisible by 400, therefore ordinary year. Therefore, February 2100 consists of exactly 28 days. Exactly 28 days. 28 days means 4 weeks. 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 4 Sundays, 4 holidays. So working days 28 minus 4, 24. Therefore answer is, this factory produced 2000 bulb each day. So 24 into 2000. So answer 48,000, only correct answer. Only correct answer. Student, so next half an hour will give you the clear picture what kind of question coming in our paper. What kind of question you need to practice in maths. Okay. Remember, the first important information is 2100 is ordinary year, not a leap year. Once leap year means 29 days. Your answer will be wrong. Completely wrong. Right? So, only correct answer is 48,000. Please. Okay. Right? Go for next question. Next question. Second question. Please try and send the answer. So, must read question minimum 2 to 3 times and after understanding convert into answer. using logical calculation. Always read question 2 times. Student, aptitude means try to connect with real life situation. Imagine a fridge, temperature falling down, ice. So 2 degrees Celsius downfall takes place in 5 minutes. So temperature falls down by 2 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. So 1 degree Celsius downfall. Hey, go for unitary method. Go for unitary method. First find for 1 degree downfall. So 1 degree downfall will take less time. So divide by 2. Okay. Now last line is, in how much time 36 degrees Celsius will freeze into ice? So 36 degrees Celsius downfall will take how much time? 36 degree downfall will take how much time? 2 degrees Celsius downfall takes 5 minutes. So 1 degree Celsius will take 5 by 2 minutes. So 36 degrees Celsius downfall will take how much time? Unitary method. So 36 degree downfall will take more than 5 by 2 minutes. So 5 by 2 into 36. So answer is 90 minutes. Yes, very good, very good. Student, this technique is known as unitary method. First find for 1. So generally for 1 we divide, and for a higher value multiply. So this is known as unitary method, and unitary method is one of the powerful logical tool to solve CSAT type question. Okay. Acha suno, hey, one of the query, if leap year. Yes, suno. Once in previous example leap year, then question is tricky, very, very tricky. And to solve that question, you need concept of calendar in detail. In reasoning, there is a separate chapter, clock and calendar. So first you need to solve calendar. So those kind of question in calendar we will discuss in clock and calendar. Okay, once leap year, it means not easy to handle. Maybe 4 Sunday or maybe 5 Sunday also. That you need to calculate according to calendar. We will discuss in calendar, student. So we'll go for third question. Third question for practice. Solve and send the answer. Question number 3. Reasoning type question only appear in our CSAT. So don't try to search formula or don't try to mug up. धीरे धीरे सीखना है. जिनको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स ज्यादा है या है लिटिल प्रॉब्लम, क्लास के बाद रिवाइज करना है. प्लीज सेंड द आंसर. ओ वाओ वाओ. अच्छा, नो रियल एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. एंड दोज हु आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड, उसका आंसर तो सही होगा ही होगा. हाँ जी. So no real experience required. See here. See the student now, see this. So a man buy 5 cigarettes on 5 cigarettes a day for 25 days. So 25 5 ja 125 cigarettes. So obvious for smoking, okay na? So concentrate here now. Now my time. हाँ जी, ये देखो student, hey, here question is what means stubs? Hey, one can use common sense. See this. Hey, this filter is known as stubs. That you can use your sense to understand meaning of stubs. So filter left after smoking must be known as stub. So see here. So after smoking 125 cigarettes, each cigarette will produce one stub. Each cigarette produce one filter. So 125 cigarette will give you 125 stubs. A student, in second line, using 5 stubs, he made one new. So divided by 5 will give you 25 more cigarettes. Wait, a student. Hey, this person is a chain smoker. So to answer this question, chain is required. After formation of 25 new cigarette, after smoking these 25 new cigarettes, another 25 stubs will be formed. This is an imaginary question. So these 25 new cigarettes will form another 25 sets of stubs. Right? So 25 new stubs again will be formed, divided by 5. By joining 5, he gets one new cigarette. So 5 new cigarette. After smoking these 5 cigarettes, he will get 5 more stubs. Chain smoker, so chain is required to answer the question. Okay, and 5 stubs is equivalent to 1 cigarette. 1 cigarette means everything is over, because 5 minimum needed to make one new cigarette. Okay, chain smoker, so chain is required. Only correct answer is 125 plus 25 plus 5 plus 1. So answer is 156. 156. Very good student. 156. हाँ जी, ये स्टूडेंट, CSAT type practice is very interesting. Not typical maths required, not much calculation required, but proper understanding required. And no two questions are similar in nature. All questions are different. So after practice, slowly you will get the rhythm. So one of the query process behind, breakdown behind 90 minutes. Okay, I will discuss. Right, student? So, Haji. So please write one note as unitary method. Hey, one query from your side, unitary method. So please write unitary method. Hey, this is one logical method, sometimes required in CSAT, maths, as well as sometimes in reasoning. So please write one note, unitary method. Student, unitary means, unit means 1. So first find for 1, then find for the required. See one example. So let cost price of 7 pens is 95 rupees. 95 rupees. Let cost price of 7 pens is 90. They connect with real life, 7 pens. So your first aim should be to calculate cost price of 1 pen. Unitary means first find for 1 pen. So logically, cost price of 1 pen must be less than 7 pen. Therefore, go for division. Logically, cost price of 1 pen must be less than 7 pen. So go for division, because division only will give you a smaller answer. So 95 by 7. So in unitary method, generally for 1 we go for division. So but think whether a small, if you are looking for a smaller, go for division. So cost price of 1 pen 95 by 7. And if question is find the cost price of 15 pens. So compared to 1 pen, cost price of 15 pen must be more, so multiply, must be multiply. So compared to 1 pen, cost price of 15 pens must be more than 1 pen. To get more value, always multiply. So 95 by 7 into 15, this is the cost price of 15 pens. Here, this idea is known as unitary method, one logical, common sense. If your answer is a small, go looking for a small answer, divide in unitary method. If you are looking for bigger number as an answer, multiply, because multiplication will give you the big. So this simple idea is known as unitary. Good, very good student. Hey, let's practice. So student, some question I am going to give you homework. Fourth question I am going to give you homework. We will discuss tomorrow. Please try fifth question. Try fifth question and send the answer. Aptitude question means less calculation, no formulas, rarely formulas required, only understanding. So read, connect and go for answer. Send the answer. मैं देख रहा हूं बच्चों. Last few seconds. Oh my God. 4 different answers. 7, 19, 20 and 21. 7, 19, 20 and 21. So writing all numbers not required. Just imagine, concentrate for few seconds, you will get the answer. Chalo. Concentrate. So 4 different answer, only one is correct. See here. How many 7 in first 100 natural number? So first time 7 appear in number 7. Okay, then 17 contain 1 7, 27 contain 1 7, 37, 47, 57, 67. Student, 70 is also one number which contain 1 7. Hey, okay. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Hey, these are the numbers which contain 1 7 जिसको हमें imagine करना था. Hey, now 87 and 97. Student, these are the only number which contain 7. Now just count it. So more than 11 times. More 7 appears more than 11 times. Even more than 19 times. See the reason? Because 77 consists of 2 7, 2 7, 2 7. So after counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So only correct answer is 20. Only correct answer. Hey, proper understanding will help you to answer properly. Okay. So student, if question is how many times 5 in first century, answer is again 20 times. 8 how many times? 20 times. But not all digits. Okay. So answer is exactly 20 times. Tell me the answer of 6th question. One similar question, student. CSAT type practice is going on. Completely different, very very interesting. अभी हम लोग पेपर क्वेश्चन भी डिस्कस करेंगे जस्ट आफ्टर 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन. Focus here. natural number start from 1. Send the answer, student. Send the answer, student. Answer. This is simple. No response. "22, 22, 22." देखो, again blunder. See here, student, hey, writing all number means wastage of time. Just concentrate on numbers and digits, you will be able to answer. So most of the answer 22 and now 31. See here, hey, multiple of 10. 10 9 ja 90. 10, 20, 30, 40 produce 10. फर्स्ट 2 सेंचुरी को डिवाइड इनटू सेपरेट सेंचुरी, फर्स्ट सेंचुरी, सेकंड सेंचुरी. So 10 9 ja 90 means 9 zeros, 9 zeros. 10 multiple of 10 produce 9 zeros and 100 consists of 2 more zeros. So 9 plus 2, 11 zeros. So most of you are thinking 11 in first century, 11 zeros in second, 11 plus 11, 22, 22 is incorrect. This idea, this order may or may not follow in second century. You need to think first. So see here, in from 10 to 1 to 200, 110 and multiple of 10, 190, 110, 120, 130 consist of 9 zeros. 200 consist of 2 more zeros. But remember, a student, hey, there are some more number in which 0 missing. 0 in the middle we have not yet counted. 0 in the middle we have not yet counted. 0 in the middle we have not counted. So 101 to 109. These number also consist of zeros. So still 90 missing. So there is a difference between first century and second century. Okay, so be careful. 20 zeros. So therefore answer is 11 plus 20. 11 plus 20. So answer is 31. The basic discussion, basic variety of question discussion is going on. So only correct answer is 31. So student, now confidently you can say in third century also 0 appear 20 times. Fourth century also 0 appear 20 times. Because there is a in first century number start from 1. In second century all numbers 3 digit, 10, 1 to 200. Right now, that's why different answer 11 and 20. So only correct answer is 31. So proper imagination and solve reading question 2-3 times will help you. So a student, similar question appear in our test paper also. Okay. So देखो जरा. So see here. 7th question I am going to, ये देखो 7th question appear in CSAT 2019. Similar in nature. Exactly similar. So previous 2 question, knowledge of previous 2 question will help you to answer 7th, which is little big in size. So student, आ जाओ, let's discuss this question. देखो, so the previous 2 question was easy version, logical. So देखो यहाँ पे question, the number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integers from 1 to 1000. A student, knowledge of previous 2 question. Hey, we have discussed 7 appears 20 times in first century. So in every centuries, 5 also appeared 20 times. But there is a exception. There is a exception. So student, range is very big. देखो यहाँ पे range is 1 to 1000. So writing all number is not a good idea. But one can imagine and you can solve, one can solve in 2 minutes easily. So देखो इसको break into 10 parts. 1 to 100. Please focus on solution. 101 to 200. 201 to 300. 301 to 400. 401. Student, remember, a 500 is 499 तक लेता हूं मैं यहां पे. Listen. So in this question, one special series 500 to 599 is the special century where 5 appear more than 20 times. That's why 271 is the wrong answer. देखो इधर, hey, in first century using question number 5, so 5 appears exactly 20 times. 20 times, 20 times, 20 times, 20 times. Now see, 500 to 599, what happens? 500 to 599. If number, why I have taken from 500? Because till 401 to 499 similar in nature. Number is starting with 4. Once starting with 500 means each and every number begins with 5 and number digit at 100th place not yet counted. देखो student, this is the only series, only century till 1000 in which 5 appear more than 20 times. So here each and every number begins with 5. And 500 to 599, how many numbers are there? 100 numbers are there. And each and every number begins with 5. So 100 times 5 plus ये जो 20 आ रहा था ना पहले से 20, ये भी 20 बीच में होंगे यूनिट प्लेस एंड टेंस प्लेस वाले. So therefore 120 times 5 appears from 500 to 599. Student, writing all 1000 number is not a good idea. Imagine the previous 2 basic question, one can answer this big question also. So 500 to 599 में each and every number begins with 5 and there are 100 numbers. So 100 times 5 extra. So 100 plus 20, 120 times. 600 to 700 or 699, no problem. 600 to 699, again 20 times. 700 to 799, 20 times. 800 to 899, 20 times, because only this is the only series in which 120 times. 20 times. 900 to 1000, again 5 appears 20 times. So only correct answer is 300. Hey, see the quality, see the paper question. Latest paper questions are good quality question. That's why good practice required from a student side. Student, first copy this detail and after class revise, connect, and if any problem write the numbers, you will be able to realize the solution. Only correct answer is 300 and see what a good question appear in paper. And latest questions are good question, interesting question, not difficult. So answer is 300. Option C. Student, 8th question, 9th question homework. 8th question, 9th question homework. We will discuss tomorrow. Please focus on 10th question, student. Acha, 10th question also homework. Now we will discuss few latest paper question. Focus on question number 11th. Alphabets and digits related to addition. Everyone, please read question 11th 2 times. We will practice directly on board. Alphabets and digits related to addition. Consider the following addition problem. 3p, student, 3p means 2-digit number. 4p means another 2-digit number. So there are 4 numbers. When added together, answer is RQ2. Listen, student, hey, please concentrate on discussion, where you will realize the latest paper quality, where PQR are different digits. So student, start like this. 3p plus p plus 4p, first copy like this, plus pp is equal to RQ2. So when 4 numbers, each 2 digit are added, answer is in 3 digit. So first copy this question like this, first statement like this. Hey, please participate in discussion. See here, see, now your aim is find the value of PQR first. So student, focus on P only, and this is a basic of addition, school addition. The hidden ideas of addition you need to apply. Student, focus on P. So P is a digit, and this digit can be from 1 to 9, 0 to 9, any digit. 0 you need to handle carefully. So if P is 0, then I need answer. Dekho, addition mein first digit is 2. So go for hit and trial, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0. If P is 0, then will you get addition 2? If P is 1, P added 4 times means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 only. So like this, 1 to 9, 0 to 9 you need to try. Okay. Now see, once P is, let's say 3. If P is 3, what will happen? 3 4 ja 12, 2 possible in addition first step. So P can be 3 possible. Once P is replaced by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 2. It means P can be 3. You need to go for hit and trial, all possible value from 0 to 9. Acha, student, similarly, if you will take P as 8, 8 4 ja 32, in addition 2 also possible. So 2 cases are possible. Copy, when P can be 3 or P can be 8. Copy the solution slowly. So 2 cases are possible. In this addition, P can be 3 or P can be 8. If you will miss, you will miss the answer. So dekho, now see, when P is 8, when P is 3. When P is 3, then first number is 33. Because 3P ko replace karo, P replaced by 3. So 3P will be 33. Then 4P 43. PP 33. Again PP 33. And just add them. So 3 added 4 times, 3 4 ja 12, 2. Carry 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 142. 142. So 142 means this 142 is the value of this sum, right? So this sum is equal to 142, means this is the value of RQ2. Now go for case 2, student. Case 2, when P is 8, then 3P. Slowly concentrate here. 3P means number is 38. Second number 4P means 48. PP means 88. Again PP means 88. And add them. A discussion of latest paper का purpose है student identify the latest level, is the good quality, so good quality of practice required. See here, 8 added 4 times, 8 4 ja 32, carry 3. Then 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 8 26. So 262. So this is the another sum. Okay, student, read question again. Student, why I have taken all possibility, this also you need to understand. Question is, what is the arithmetic mean of all such possible sums? All such possible sums. So in question indication is given, maybe more than one value of p possible, sum possible. So only 2 sums possible, and question is find the arithmetic mean. Mean means average. Mean means average. Therefore, answer is 142 plus 262 divided by 2. So, final answer 202, 100% correct. Only correct answer is 202. Student, this is not a school type. This nowadays CSAT is beyond NCERT, beyond school level. Only understanding based discussion. That is known as aptitude. Only correct answer is 202. And as a student in first class, you need to realize the difficulty level of the paper. Only correct answer is 202, alphabets and digits. Student, question number 12th appear in 2022 from types of number addition. So homework. So we will discuss one more question, today's last question for practice. So please solve this. Yes, arithmetic means average. Average means sum of all observation divided by number of observation. In previous question only 2 numbers, so add both the sum, divide by 2. Everyone please focus and send the answer of question number 13. Today's last question for practice. So please focus on question number 13. Sorry. Read question 2 times, connect with real life situation. Imagine you are the gardener, you are planting these trees, and go for slowly answer. Send the answer, student. 50.5, 40, 40.4, 40.1, 40.1 is not in the option. Achha, all 4 answer. 40, 40.4, 50, oh my god. All 4 answer from 4 different group of student. Chalo, see here. A, iska matlab hai something wrong. Only one answer correct. Only one answer correct. Listen. Only one answer correct. Please concentrate, student. Here, see here. On one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road. Student, please concentrate here. So this length is given 1.01 kilometer. So first convert into meter. First convert this into meter. So 1.01 into 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, so multiply by 1000, so you will get 1010 meter. So length of this road is 1010 meter. Please concentrate, everyone, a student. See here, 101 plants are planted at equal distance from each other. Okay, right? Dekho, on one side of a 1.0 meter, 101 plants are planted. So student, obvious hai, the first plant will be planted here, first plant, and last plant will be planted in the end. So 101 plant. Okay. Acha, please wait and concentrate. Please wait and see the problem in this question. A student, see here. Imagine you are a gardener. So you will first plant in the beginning of the road, starting of the road. Acha, second plant you will plant like this. Third plant, तो गौर से देखो, equal distance, they are planted at equal distance from each other. See here. So in case of two plant, one gap will be formed. In case of three plants, two equal gaps will be formed. Try to understand this discussion. In case of four consecutive plant, only three equal gaps will be formed. In case of 5 plant, exactly 4 equal gaps. It means to plant 101 plants, the equal gaps will be only 100. Only 100 gaps will be formed. Why? Because the first one is kept planted in the beginning, 10 exactly in the end. So see here. So in this question, 1010 must be divided by 100 only. Once you will divide by 101 plant, you will get the wrong answer. So see here, in case of 2 plant, only 1 gap. In case of 3 plant, 2 gaps. In case of 5 plant, only 4 gaps. So in case of 101 plant, you will get 100 equal distance. So divided by 100 will give you 10.1 meter. A student, try to understand the meaning of 10.1. 10.1 meter means after a gap of 10.1 meter, new plants are planted. After a gap of every 10.1 meter, new plants are planted. Hey, those who have divided by 101 is completely wrong. Use common sense, logical sense. See the second diagram. So after every 10.1 meter, 1 new plants are planted. Therefore, answer is, see this. What is the last line? What is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? So see the second diagram. 5 consecutive plants means only 4 gaps, only 4 equal gaps. Therefore, answer is 10.1 into 4. Only correct answer is 40.4. Only correct answer is option B. Option B. Student, focus here. Dividing 1010 by 101 is wrong. In between 101 plants, only 100 gaps will be formed. This point you need to understand. So dividing by 100 only will give you the correct answer. And 10.1 means after every 10.1 is wrong, student. 50 is wrong. All other options are wrong. All other answers are wrong. Listen here. So 10.1 means after every 10.1 meter, 1 new plants are planted. And see the second diagram. Between 5 consecutive plants, only 4 equal gaps will be formed. That's why 4 into 10.1, only correct answer is 10.4, 40.4. So only correct answer is option B. Only this is correct. Say after, right? A student. So no. Multiplication and square we will start tomorrow. So number system just started. Remember, a student, here is a big chapter, 10 plus question. So you need more example, more practice. So now listen in the end. So final conclusion. So number system we have started today. In every class the discussion will be like this. First theory and ideas, logical discussion, and then practice question, only CSAT type practice question. And remember, all questions are distinct, different. So your aim should be proper understanding. Don't try to mug up. Those who are getting little less, little darkness, hey, after the class, do it all question again. And I have given some homework also. Please try those questions also. All those doubts we will discuss again tomorrow and we will continue. So a student, multiplication and square we will discuss, we will start tomorrow. So tomorrow, first we will focus on today's homework. and then again we will continue the topic. And in every class, maths and reasoning, maths as well as reasoning. First we will start with homework, if any doubts, and then we will start new topic or continue the topic. So dear student, please revise notebook. And the purpose of this class is to understand what means aptitude. Only logical and conceptual question appear in our paper. No formula, no shortcut, no tricks required. So please turn, revise slowly. And thank you so much, dear students. See you tomorrow, same time, 11 o'clock. All the best. Bye bye. Bye bye, dear student. All the best. See you tomorrow. Bye student. Please revise, solve all remaining question as a homework, and we will continue tomorrow. All the best, dear student. Thank you so much.